Hello, all my beautiful unboxers. I know it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt right now, but I am. Hello? Hello? So we are doing our Ipsy unboxing today. Here is the envelope. Tell me to stop saying please will somebody just say stop saying Here is the envelope that has the bag in it. If you like unboxings, if you like makeup, if you like skincare, if you like beauty and talking about it and scandal in the beauty industry too. I'm not a tea or a drama channel, but I do like to talk about scandal in the beauty industry. Then please go ahead and hit subscribe, hang out with me, and if you like this video, hit like and tell me what you got in your bag, or if you even subscribe to Ipsy, or if you used to and you don't anymore because of why, I don't know, tell me. If you want to see what's in my August 2018 Ipsy bag, please keep watching. So we're gonna go right in. I have a knife because I already did my BoxyCharm today, but I don't think I need the knife, so I think I can just, yeah, like ripped my nail polish off. Ugh, mad. Whoa. Oh, there's a brush in it. The brush came out. I love when I get brushes. Oh my God. But does this bag not look like the same bag from like a couple months ago, just cloth instead of rubber? Because I was literally like, did they give me the same bag? Did I get the same bag? Let's look at the brush first. So this brush is exciting to me. It's a crown brush, which is, you know, really actually crown is pretty typical to get in subscription services. Like, I know they come in BoxyCharm a lot, and I did get a crown palette in my BoxyCharm last month. Whatever. What kind of brush is this? It doesn't tell me. You know, when they're like, oh, this is a complexion brush, or this is a highlighting brush. But to me, it looks kind of like, and don't take my word for it because I don't know anything about anything, maybe a blush brush. It's soft, and it's bigger. So it could be used for blush or for bronzer. That's what I'm gonna use it for, so hopefully that is what it's meant for. Let's get into the bag and see what else we got in here. Okay, so it is an Answer From, is the company name, Answer From, and it's a luminous collagen eye cream. Okay, so I guarantee you, this is why I don't like getting skincare in these bags, and this is why I don't like getting these tiny samples, because this bottle is full of air and not product. If I hold it up to the light, I'll be able to tell. Should we? Yeah. Yeah, so that's bad. The product's actually like right here. So here's the bottle and the product's like right here. So that's not even half full, and that's why I don't like getting skincare in these bags, because even this is not enough. Like, if this was full, it wouldn't be enough to actually like see if something was being made different or if it was doing something. And when they only give you like less than half of a bottle full, it's basically pointless. I mean, I'll use it, but I don't like getting samples like this. Don't put skincare samples in if you don't feel like you can give me a full sample. That's all I'm saying. This is a Ciati? Sorry, I don't know the name. Ciati? Clati? It's the Glow 2 highlighter. Let's open her up. Okay, so it's a small sample, but I don't mind that with makeup because I can see if I like it or if it does something. This looks like here. It's just a little highlighting pan. Ooh, it's very soft. Try here. And you can't really even see that either. Can you see that? Really intense, like on my finger. This is in the color, or shade, or whatever. This is in the shade Moon Dust. Do I have like a napkin or something I can... Ugh, so much makeup on my hands. Okay, next, oh, it's another tube. Okay, this is called the Black Tea London Classic Serum. I need my glasses. I'm back with glasses so I can see. Okay, so this is the Moly London Classic Serum, the black tea. It contains 100% pure black tea extract. After applying to skin, gently apply an appropriate amount to the skin along skin's texture. What? To the skin along the skin's texture? I don't understand those directions at all. Moly is actually a good company, and this probably is only half full as well, but I think that's just something we've come to accept. Only one thing left. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Thrive Cosmetics, not cosmetics, cause, like do you have a cause? And this is a liquid lash extension mascara. So this is what they're saying your eyelashes are gonna look like with this stuff on, and this is what they look like without. That would be cool if that worked. So it's supposed to give you length and volume, and it's rich black. So it's supposed to be a lash extension and volumizing mascara. And let's pop her open. I like the brush on it. This is a brush that's definitely gonna do some damage in a good way, if you know what I mean. That is all we have in our bag this month. We have a bag that looks very, very similar to another bag, the exact coloring. I think that bag had like passports and stuff on it. I use it as my travel makeup bag, but it's pretty much like the exact same coloring. So I just feel like they got lazy with this bag. Like, oh, what should we do? We don't even have any like pictures to put on it. Like, what happens in August? Everybody's hot and sick of summer, so let's just make a orange and yellow bag with the tassel on it, right? Okay. And then we got the mascara. We got the Glow 2 highlighter from Ciate, London. We've got the Tony Moly Black Tea Classic Serum. What else? Where's the rest? Did it run away because it was so disappointed in itself? Oh, we had that little bitty skincare eye serum bottle, whatever. And then there was the brush, which, listen, like I've said before, anytime I get a brush in Ipsy, I find it a win because brushes can be expensive. A brush like this would go for about like $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, maybe more depending. And so I'm happy with the bag if I have a brush in it. So Ipsy, you are lucky this month, girl, that you gave me a brush or I would have been mad. All right, guys, we're done with this. Like and comment and subscribe. Tell me what you got in your Ipsy bag. Tell me if you were disappointed, happy. Did you get the brush like I did to make up for kind of how much the bag sucked all together? This month's Ipsy was so good, guys. Like I got full-size products, Smashbox concealers, like a nice full-size lip gloss from this new company that I've never heard of, but now I love it. And I just feel like following it with this month was rude. So I'm not super pumped, but like I said, the brush, yay, good. Okay, give me some love, subscribe, comment, like, let me know everything. Keep coming back and watching my videos, and I will see you guys very soon next time. Stay kind and stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.